So, I'll be teaching you how to pick beans in the fastest and easiest way. A lot of people think picking beans is a tedious work. So, a simpler method has been found, and you will realize that at the end of this video. Just stay with me. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your bowl. Get your bowl, pour the quantity of beans you need. This is an example. It's the same method for no matter how large the quantity of beans you want to use. So after you've gotten your bowl, you've added your beans. You can see the beans is not yet picked, so don't think it's I'm doing one kind of abracadabra. No, it's a very valid and dependable method. That even though you are going early to work, you have a 7 o'clock appointment or whatever, you will still meet up. Even though you have a large quantity of beans you want to pick, just follow suit. Now, after you've gotten your beans this way, the next thing you're going to do is to add water. Add water and fill it up. As you can see, I'm adding water. Yes, I've added water. So you fill the beans up and make sure the beans is below, and then automatically you will see that the chaff of the beans will float up, as you can see. Although there are some beans there, but you can easily remove those ones. So you remove some of the beans in there, and then I'm going to remove the chaff now. As you can see, I'm already doing that. Since it has floated, so it makes it very easy. So as you can see, I've almost removed all. So I'm going to save the water now. Although some beans might fall off, but it's something you can still pick up. So I've saved it. You can see clearly here now that the beans is clean. But to perfect the cleanliness, just add another water. It's like the water is almost going, but at least it's still manageable. So I've done that, and what I will do now is to stir up the beans to review any hidden dirt, and then I will sieve again. You can see. All those other ones you are saying there is the seed coats. Okay, there is little dirt again, but I can still add under water to make sure it's perfect. So this is the third time. It just depends on how you do it. Okay, so save it again. But you can see it's the seed coat that is removing, so it's no longer the dirt. So my beans is super clean right now. Okay, now let me show you. So it's so clean. So now I'm going to transfer it to my pot. So at this juncture, you have to pay closest attention. Now, follow suit. So my pot is opened, and I'm going to do something right now. Here is my beans, as you can see. So I'm going to add another water. So as you can see, I've added water, and you can see the beans is clean, no dirt on top. Very okay. So now you're going to pour the beans gradually into the pot. And this is because, pay close attention, stones don't float. Because it's likely there is stone in the beans, which is not unusual anyway. So the stones rather would have sunk. They will be at the bottom of the bowl, and then You will see them easily. Then you can check too because there are some of those stones that have the color of the beans. They may have. So you can check them. Look at this one. This is just like a slight, which is not unusual anyway. But the beans is actually clean. So you can see the beans now. Clean. Very, very okay. Clean. 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 Look at it. So if there is any stone here, you will see it at the bottom of the pot. The beans is clean. So as you can see, I'm done. These are the remaining dates. If there is any stone, it will be at the lower portion of this bowl. And then I'm done. You've picked your beans in less than 5 minutes. Trust me, it's less than 5 minutes. But if you are very slow, it might be a bit higher than 5 minutes or 5 minutes. But it's less than it's the fastest method ever. So I have my beans here. Since I'm not telling you, I'm not teaching you how to cook beans. So then you can proceed from here and cook it the way you like. Thank you.